Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add password in desktop. So let's start. At first, open your desktop file. Now for refresh. Now going to the start option. Now click on the setting option. Then show the now click for the account option. Now click for the sign in option. That's it. Then we show the password. Now click for the password option. Then click for the add option. Then press from the your new password. Then again same password is confirm password is second word. This password hint. Now for click for the next option. Then click for the finish. That's it. Now show the then click for the click option. Then again click for the start option. Now click for the power option. Then click for the sleep. Then your password hint in the open desktop. That is. Then I show the add password in desktop is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.